Hello guys, welcome one more time to this presentation. We are looking at the product rule of differentiation, and before us is a question that will help us understand that rule in details. Welcome. Uh, Let us pay attention to this presentation. So we have a question that reads, find the derivative of the following function. F of z is equals to 8i z times z minus 4i. So we have two parts. We have the first part being 8i z, and the second part which is z minus 4i. So those are the two parts that we have in this function. We want to see how the product rule of differentiation works, how it works. Now, we have got a function which is in fact f of z given by 8i z, then we multiply this by z minus 4i. So we want to use the rule of differentiation to help us solve this question completely. So what are we going to do? We are going to take the first part, and the first part in fact is this part. We are going to take the first part, then we multiply by the derivative of the second part. So we are going to take 8iz, we multiply by the derivative of the second function with respect to z. We are differentiating with respect to z, and then of course we add the derivative. We add to the derivative of the first function, with respect to z. We are differentiating with respect to z. Of course, we multiply that by the second function. So this is what we have. Let me arrange it in an orderly manner. So we have 8iz, we multiply by the derivative of the second part, then we add to the derivative of the first part, then we multiply this by the second part. So let's see. So this is 8iz, we multiply by, when we find the derivative of this part with respect to z, is the same as finding the derivative of this function with respect to z. So this one is the same as 1 when we find the derivative, plus then the derivative of 8iz with respect to z is in fact 8i. We multiply this by z minus 4i. We want to open the bracket. This one is the same as 8iz, then plus this is 8iz, again 8iz, then this one is going to be minus 8 times 4. This is the same as 32i squared. Remember, we said that I squared is the same as -1. I squared is the same as -1. We need to remember that. So our final answer will be this one plus this one. This is the same as 16iz minus this is 32i squared. This is 32i squared. Or you can as well say the final answer, now that we know I squared is in fact the same as -1, we can make it better by saying the final answer is 16iz. Now this one is going to be -32. We multiply by I squared, which is now -1. This one will change to a positive. So our final answer is 16iz plus 32. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Continue subscribing and sharing this video to your friends. And let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you so much.